How big does an enterprise need to be able to make a dent in the amount of plastic leaching into our soil and polluting our oceans? As big as Jodie's Naturals, a small business based in the OECS member state of Dominica, whose innovation in product packaging is modeled on the circular economy principle of reduce, reuse, recycle.
Hi, I am Jodie Dangleben, the owner of Jodie's Naturals, a company that seeks really to provide organic, safe, sustainable options for hair, skincare and household products. And in our company we manifest this perfectly by marrying and keeping alive really our local herbal remedial culture, our concoctions, and marrying it perfectly with modern cosmetic formulation to create our unique, very effective products. But in creation of those products, we realize as well that certain processes in our manufacturing practices can have an effect on our climate. And we decided to focus on the theme of waste reduction. This right here is the climate clock. You hear it ticking? This climate clock right here shows us our deadline. It shows us how long we have left before our carbon budget runs out. It shows us how long we have left till our global temperature rises another 2 degrees Celsius, which may seem a little, but which has very serious repercussions on our climate. Let's look at some numbers. Annually, about 100 million tons of plastics are produced. These clog our landfills and affect our marine life as well. And monthly, just in my business alone, where we retail over 200 products, just think about how many plastic bottles will be in those landfills at the end of the year. Over 2,000 plastic bottles yearly. So within 10 years, do you know how many plastic bottles my little business have contributed to the landfills? This isn't something I'll be proud of. And so as a business, we have decided to tackle this issue by introducing shampoo bars.
And by having a bottle refill station for customers where they can save money by bringing in their own containers to be filled with our products.
Now, most shampoos are 80% water. Some conditioners are even up to 95% water. So why pay for water when you can add it in yourself? On average, a shampoo bar can outlast a shampoo bottle by up to 3 times, saving you trips to the store as well. And so they cut off the need for plastic bottles, and if at all they are packaged, the packaging is very minimal. We also have the option of only using biodegradable packaging for our shampoo bar.
Jodie's Naturals is an OECS Clean Ocean champion twice over. The business does not just advocate waste reduction through its unique product line. It creates a partnership with its customers to collectively reduce the amount of plastic waste to be disposed.